Hello coders, welcome to Refresh Coding, and in this session we are going to see how we can connect our EC2 instance through Putty. So here I am into launch an instance wizard, and here I have given my instance name as my instance 3. I have already explained in detail how we can create an instance. So I will just quickly create an instance and I will connect it by using Putty. And here image I will select as Amazon Linux, which is free trial eligible. Instance type also I will keep it E2 micro only. Key pair, yes, here I will generate a new key pair. Since we are going to connect through Putty, so we will have to take care of one thing here. First thing, I will give my key pair name. Let's say this is my key and 333, or any name you can give, not a problem. Here I will just keep it RSA, not a problem. Here you will have to take care of one thing, that when you are going to connect it with Putty, you are supposed to select its .ppk, because .pem is when you are going to work with OpenSSH, which we have already seen. If you want to connect through command prompt of Windows, or you want to connect with git bash, then you can use .pem. But if you want to work with Putty, you will go ahead with .ppk file. We can convert this .pem file also to .ppk by using keygen Putty generator. If you want, I will create a video on that as well. But right now here we will select .ppk and we will create key pair. And then here the network setting and all these things I will keep it default only. I will let it go in the default VPC, or else if you want to edit the network settings, you can do it from here. And if you want to use a custom VPC, that also you can do. We will use here a demo VPC, which is our own custom VPC, which I have already created, if you remember. And that's it. Here, one thing you will have to remember, you will enable the auto assign IP thing, otherwise we will not be able to connect it. Security group, again, we will select existing security group only. So here I have already created one security group, which is my security group. I will select it. And that's it. The storage and all we will keep it default. Number of instances we will keep it 1, and launch instance. It will take some time to successfully run the instance. Instance launch is success. Here I will have to refresh the page. It will take some time to successfully launch the instance. And meanwhile, what you can do, this file you can copy this file in a folder so that you can select it from there. So here by default this file will go in downloads here. So I will take this file from here, and I have created a folder in D drive here, which is D key folder, and I will just simply paste it here because I require this location to connect with this file. So I will keep it here. That's it. I will simply minimize it. I will close it, and my instance is still loading. It will take some time. And if you see here, it is coming in the running status now. I will select it and I will try to connect to this instance now. So I will select on connect. And here, if you can see SSH client we have. Here, if you notice, we have one thing which is public DNS. So we will copy this because we need this DNS to connect with Putty. So we will copy this, and now what I will do, I will open the Putty software. You will have to download and install this Putty. You can just go here and search for Putty. You will get it. Okay, Putty download for Windows 10. Just go here, search for it, and you will get it. Okay, it is a free SSH and Telnet client for Windows, because as we have already discussed, since we need something in between, because our host operating system is Windows and the EC2 instance which we are working is Linux, so that's why we need it. So you can just go here and download it and install it in your system. Right now I already have it, so I will just go here, and here you will have to paste your public DNS, and then you will go into SSH and auth, and here you will have to browse the here. My key 333 is there. I will open it, and that's it. Open. Okay, you will have to accept it. You don't have any other choice. Login as, here you will have to remember, you will give the login EC2-user, and if you can see, it is successfully logged in. I will just increase the font so that you can see properly.